video, we will unbox. We will open. Balma got his new magic cube. Rubik's cube. And
Not made by Rubik.
yeah, and we're gonna open it. Yeah, this.
Yes, I have a 2x2 that can corner twist, which is not normal at all.
I have a pair of scissors here. And
Don't cut the cube.
yeah. And be very careful using the scissors.
Very big.
I'm gonna open this.
How many Rubik's Cube you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then this will be the...
I have 6. Also, yeah, I remember having smaller ones,
And this is.
and one of them broke. So we had to
This
sew
it
it.
has a different shape.
Oh, I think it's
So
very
bad.
good.
This is the.
So
Oh my
difficult.
god.
Show.
What?
It's okay. It's okay. I will bring
Is
out
the-
the camera.
It has chalk spilling out of it already. Okay.
So that is.
It was turning a little good.
But it has a different shape, yeah.
The shape shift.
This is the like. Wait, this is like here, like corner there, and this one has a curve on its
Second
corner side.
And only 3 colors.
How many colors? 3?
Only 3. The rest of the cube, show the rest of the cube.
Then how many?
The 3x3
This
has...
is the normal one.
There are 6
has-
colors. 1,
and
2, 3, 4,
including
5,
this one.
6 colors.
This one has no white, green, and orange. And this is kind of weird because I solved the white first.
There's no white there.
There's no white.
So what you will solve?
The yellow, that's like my second option. But there's 2 choices because there's 2 little yellow pieces. I think I'm gonna faces. I think I'm gonna faces blue.
So it's easy to rotate. You see it?
Not that much.
You're happy.
Because whenever I rotate it, sometimes chalk spills out.
So you're happy. You have a new Rubik's. Huh? How many collections you have? And what you will do?
I'll scramble it. I don't know how to solve this yet. Probably like 3x3. By the Gigaminx. I mean Megaminx. This one's strapped. This one's strapped. It's barely turned. What is this? Pops.
Show them all.
This 2x2 can corner twist. See? Strike.
Oh, so there is Daya there in 2x2.
No, that's just something super special about this 2x2. It's like, most of the 2x2s that cannot corner twist. Most of the 2x2s that are not built for speed cannot corner twist. This is stickerless. That's the thing. That's the thing I like. It's stickerless. It's also unique.
So you're happy. Are you?
Yeah. So tight.
So you have now. Let me see. The first one, the very first. That one, the normal one.
It's not normal. This is worse than average.
Why?
Blur the logo. Okay.
Yeah. And the next one. That is Atalay give, yeah? This is give by Atalay.
That one is stickerless.
And this is 2x2. 2x2, yeah?
So unstable.
And this is
This is
something like
This is a very unstable.
this is something like different shape. It has a curve and it has a
mirror cube. The
corner.
mirror cube is worse. Especially with the especially the 2x3. But the hardest that I've ever seen is the puppet cube.